Did you notice the sentiment in education just jumped to plus 0.27, with a momentum of plus 1.16? This spike is particularly striking when you consider the recent trends, where sentiment has been hovering around neutral. This indicates a significant shift in perceptions, which could be signaling emerging opportunities in the sector. Our API returns detailed sentiment insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters that help you understand the underlying themes. For instance, you could leverage this data to tailor educational content or marketing strategies that resonate with the current positive sentiment, perhaps targeting new online learning platforms or innovative teaching methods. Explore how to integrate this data into your projects at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.